231 out.
Charlie 35, 51.
Charlie 37 out.
Hey! There's somebody inside. Go. I'm on.
331 out. Charlie 37 out. 96.
96. I'm on.
You said you got a dog that was shot?
10-4. 3 pit bulls just charged at me. I had to shoot them.
Alright, 10-4.
And the residents are back inside.
You said the residents are inside?
10-4.
Are you the homeowner? Are you the homeowner?
They charged me, ma'am. I'm sorry. I didn't want to.
Are you the homeowner?
I called my sister. It was my fault. I called my sister.
Ma'am, can you put the scissors down?
Huh?
Can you drop the scissors for us? Are you the homeowner?
I thought some firecrackers had gone off and messed up his face. So is he going to be okay?
I don't know, man. Come over here for me, ma'am.
You need to call my sister right now. It's not my house.
Okay.
She was supposed to call you guys. I got into the
All right. Just come over here for me, ma'am.
Oh, no.
Yeah. County 331 Alpha. Can we get animal services 51? They charged me and backed me in a corner, ma'am.
Both of them? You shot
3 of them.
You shot all 3?
I don't know if I shot 3 of them. I think I got 2. They all charged me into a corner, ma'am. I really didn't want to do that. I'm sorry.
My sister didn't call me back, and they were supposed to call you guys.
What? Okay. Okay. Can you get in contact?
I need to call
Okay.
her.
Where are the dogs right now?